Hello students, welcome to Standard 5th EVS 1 Digital class. We continue with lesson number 14, Transport. What you have learned in previous video? Let's take a recap. Transport, advantages and disadvantages of modes of transport, air pollution, noise pollution. Can you tell? Walking, riding a bicycle, using a private vehicle, using public transport. Which of the above options will you choose on the following occasions? Now students, see, this is activity for you. You have to read the question and solve it. Now see the first question. Going to study at a friend's house who lives nearby. Now A, B, C, D, 4 options are there. You have to choose any one. So I am reading one more time. Going to study at a friend's house who lives nearby. How you will go? Which path you will choose? Walking, riding a bicycle, using a private vehicle or using public transport. A means walking. Going to your school which is about 1 kilometer away. Which option? B means riding a bicycle. Taking materials to a science exhibition in another town. Which option? C means using a private vehicle. Now fourth question. Going to a wedding in the next town. Which option you are going to choose? D means using public transport. So students, write these question answers in your notebook. From this, we realized that we should cultivate habits such as walking short distances. See here students, the family is walking or riding a bicycle for slightly longer distances. In this way, we can avoid the use of fuel burning vehicles and reduce pollution. At other times, using public or private transport can save time and efforts. See here students, these are the public transport. Bus, cycle rickshaw, train, metros. These are the examples of public transport. Now, bicycle, two-wheeler, four-wheelers are the example of private vehicles, private transport. In this way, we can reduce the severity of the harmful effects of the transportation. So, what are the remedies for reducing pollution? See the next slide. Use fuels that cause less pollution. Timely maintenance and repair of vehicles. See students, you have to repair your own vehicles and keep maintained timely. Using public transport as far as possible. Using private vehicles only when necessary. Tree plantation. See here students, the boy and the girl, they both are planting a tree. Planting trees, especially indigenous or local varieties like banyan, peepal, neem, karanj, etc. and caring for them. These trees adapt easily to the local environment and help in enhancing biodiversity. Avoiding fuels that cause pollution, using fuels such as LPG or CNG for vehicles. See here students, this is the example of CNG. Always remember, our environment is sensitive. That is why pollution has destructive effects on it. These effects are harmful for all living things, including us. It is very necessary to prevent pollution. Do you know? In these modern times, we use cars, ships and aeroplanes that run on fuel. In the olden days, ships did not use such engines. See here, students, that you see the ship in the picture which did not use engine. They had sails which helped to use the force of the wind. They were called sailing ships. In those days, people traveled all over the world on these ships. Advantages of using bicycle. See here students, in the picture, the boy is riding a bicycle. So, what are the advantages? Physical exercise. Small loads can also be carried. Does not cause pollution. Self-reliance, saves time, can be stored in a small space, saves money, less crowding of vehicles on the streets. So students, these are the advantages of using bicycle. You draw this picture in your classwork notebook. What's the solution? Rohan and Sania always walk to school. Their school is 30 minutes away from their house. There is a cultural function at their school today. Their grandmother will accompany with them to the function. But she gets tired easily because of her age. Which of the options listed below would you suggest for taking her to school? Walking, auto rickshaw, bus, scooter, car. So students, you think on this point and discuss with your family member. So what we have learned from the lesson? The beneficial and harmful effects of transportation. Judicious use of means of transport. The danger to nature due to the pollution caused by various means of transport. Remedies for various types of pollution. So students, here I have completed lesson number 14, transport. You read full lesson. So myself Dipti Pathak, I am signing off. Bye bye. Thank you.